Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your Epic Games password for your account. Once you're logged into the Epic Games launcher, in the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on your account icon. Go to where it says account, and it'll open up your web browser and take you to the Epic Games account page. Once you're there, on the left hand side, go ahead and click on password and security. It'll prompt you to enter whatever your current password is, so go ahead and do that. Enter your new password and make sure it meets the criteria on the right here. Once you're confident that all of your information here is correct, simply click on Save Changes, and you should see the two green check marks appear in the boxes next to where you entered your new passwords, and the button that once said save should be green and should be saved with a check mark. The update is instantaneous. Just keep in mind that when you go back to your launcher, it is going to log you out of your account and prompt you to log in again with your new password. But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.